If you're trading and you don't know that there's math involved, this is for you. Listen up, because this mathematical formula is very, very important for you to become a profitable and consistent day trader. Okay. So number one, if you have a prop firm account, for example, and you're allowed to have a $2,000 drawdown, you would take those $2,000. You would then multiply that by 0.25, which is 25% of the amount that you're allowed to draw down. Okay, never exceed that amount. Let's call this your daily budget. So you take $2,000, multiply that by 0.25. It's going to give you about $500. So let's say you have $500 as a budget to spend throughout the entire day on trading. Okay, now you don't just go and spend the 500 bucks immediately. No, you're going to think to yourself, okay, how many trades do I plan on executing today? So let's just say you plan on executing 3. You're going to give yourself 3 opportunities. So you're going to divide the $500 into 3, which is going to give you somewhere around 165 bucks or so. That means that on one trade, you can risk $165 maximum. It does not mean that you should risk the entire $165, but it does mean that that's how much you can do maximum. So let's say you want to do 1 micro or 2 micros, you can do that, but just know that the maximum you want to risk is $165 on a trade. Your objective is to catch a good trade that's going to get you some green. Now, what that means is you can choose any different strategy that you'd like. Doesn't matter if you're going for the orb, if you're going for an ICT strategy, if you're going for, volume, order flow, VWAP, whatever you want to do, right? Every single strategy out there, the majority of them, can get you into the green. It's up to you to understand how to manage the money properly, how to have that budget work in your favor in order for you to succeed. Okay. So the moment that it goes into the green and you see that you're up, you take that money. Even if it's 50 bucks, if it's 100 bucks, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you're playing the long game. This means that over time, if you constantly do that and you grab the green, okay, while risking a certain budgeted amount, you are going to become profitable over time. Yes, over time, because this is not something that's going to happen overnight. Okay, a lot of people, they try to rush into the profits. They try to rush into trading large amounts. And what ends up happening is they never reach a payout. You never get a payday, or they end up blowing accounts constantly. So please make sure you're budgeting properly. Make sure that you have a mathematical formula that works for you and a strategy that works for you. If you're looking for day trading tools that'll help you out to enhance your trading, definitely check out doubletoptrading.com. That's my website, my platform, where I've created indicators and trading tools that are helping you to become a better trader. It'll give you, certain signals and things that you can look at and you can use to your advantage when trading. Okay. That being said, I hope this helped you out. And if you did like this video, make sure you hit me with a like, a follow, comment below so you can help out the algorithms. Or if you just have any questions, feel free to comment. Let's chat. Let's talk about what it is that you're experiencing trouble with as a trader. And hopefully I can help out. See you guys in the next video.